For this video, we're going to be quickly looking at the table style options. So like in Microsoft Word, when we created a table, we had the option to create banded rows as well as banded columns, add a total row or a header row. We can do the same thing in Microsoft Excel. So under the table tools design, we are going to be looking at this block here, the table styles option. So one of the neat things that Microsoft Word doesn't have, that Microsoft Excel does have for its table, are these filter button options. So if I unclick that filter button, you can see they disappear. Re-click them, they appear there. In the next video, we're going to be looking at what a filter button does and how it works. So for now, we can either remove a heading row or add a heading row. We can create a total row. All right. Banded rows means that every alternating row changes color. We can do a first column option. We can do a last column option. We can create a banded column option. Let's remove banded rows so you can see what it looks like. Okay. So your basic table that is created will generally always have a header row. It generally comes up as a banded row and will always have filters. So you can go ahead and change all of this. So this one is nice to have a last column to highlight the number of votes per movie. So that is how you go about adding style options. So adding and removing banded rows and columns, creating filter buttons, creating total rows and header rows.